You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this people of North Africa. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from Arabic, Africa, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Tuareg is how it's pronounced locally. Also, the English pronunciation, a Berber, pastoralist and nomadic people. The Tuaregs, Tuaregs, stress on the A syllable. How to pronounce correct English pronunciation, Tuaregs. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.